Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this delicious rice and beans. It's very easy to make and tastes so good. If you are interested, let's get started. So here is the beans that I'm going to be cooking. I'm using black eye beans. You can as well use brown beans as well. It's good to go for this recipe. So I'm just going to be washing these beans until the water is clean. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade. Feel free to watch the video and hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of this family. In this channel, we'll make a lot of Italian recipes and African recipes. So if you want to see more of all these recipes, just hit that subscribe button, set the notification bell to all. In that way, you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. For my lovely, amazing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and you can as well share this video to your friends and family. So as you can see, I've washed the beans. The beans is already clean. I'm just going to start the cooking process. So now I'm just going to pour the beans inside my cooking pot. I'll be adding some diced onions. Then I'm going to be adding hot water to cover up the beans. I'm just going to cover the beans, then I will allow it to cook. So here is my rice. I'm going to be washing my rice with cold water. You don't need to boil this rice. You don't need to soak this rice inside the hot water. You just need to wash it with cold water and pour it in your sieve and set it aside. So I'm just going to check on my beans. My beans is still a little bit hard. I'm just going to cover it and allow the beans to cook for more minutes. So guys, now it's time for me to add my rice. So the beans is not 100% done. This is the right time for you to add your rice because you want to cook the rice and the beans together. You want to feel that flavor of beans while you are eating your rice. So at this point, I'm just going to mix the rice and the beans together properly. So I'll be adding water to cover up the rice and beans. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of crayfish. I'll be adding maggi. And salt. Adding crayfish and maggi to your rice and beans add more flavor to the rice and beans. I always like to use crayfish and maggi. It just give it more taste, and you can even eat it like that without stew. So you can give it a try. It's so good as well. So now I'm going to be adding water to cover up the rice and beans. Then I will cover it. I will allow it to cook. So guys, our rice and beans is done. It comes out so good, guys. You can please give it a try and leave a comment in a comment section and tell me how your own comes out. You guys know almost everybody like rice and beans. Me myself, I love it so much. So if you have watched to this minute, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So guys, before you leave, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and also set the notification bell to all. So guys, I'm going to leave you at this point. Bye bye. Ciao.